How to enable dark mode on SoundCloud PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can enable dark mode on SoundCloud PC. In order to enable dark mode on SoundCloud PC, all you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So unfortunately, there's no such built-in feature of the dark mode theme that we can enable when browsing the millions of tracks on the website of SoundCloud. So if you want to enable a dark mode, you need to look everywhere else for the solution. So one such solution is a Night Eye. It is a browser extension that enables dark mode on a SoundCloud and the rest of the internet. Now it will work with your favorite browser and comes with 3-month complete free trial. After its expiry, you can continue using it for free by switching Night Eye Live or go for the Pro, which costs up to $9 per year. So you can also enable dark mode on many other products, such as how to enable Wikipedia dark mode and many more as well. So that is how you can enable dark mode on SoundCloud. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.